to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. Today, I'd like to show you how I made these nice, good blueberry muffins. Very easy to make. Look at that. Look at the beauty of this. It's very simple to make. Follow along with me and you will not regret making these. These are delicious. Okay, we want 2 cups of all-purpose flour. A tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, okay, next we need half a teaspoon of cinnamon, about 1 to 4 teaspoons of nutmeg, and then we want to beat up 2 eggs. Okay. Next you want 1 cup of milk, 3 to 4 cups of sugar, next you want 1/2 cup of canola oil, followed by 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Last you want 1 cup of frozen blueberries. Then we're just going to whisk this up real good. What you want to do is you want to start taking your butter and do every one of these. Use, take like a spoon, measuring cup like thing, and just go along. Okay, now we're going to put this into the oven for about 400 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 20 minutes until it's done, and we'll come back. Take a look at that. Look at the beauty of this. I'm going to let it cool down because it is piping hot. It is extremely hot, so I'm going to let it cool down. But these smell amazing. I swear to God they do. And we'll do a taste test. But yeah, they're hot, but they're delicious. We'll come back. Pull it off about as long as I can stand. I mean, I cannot stand no more of the smell of these. And I just gotta try them. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, good. That is so good. Look at that. Very delicious, very easy to make, so simple. I promise you, you try these once, do this, and you will love these. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel, and if y'all, the ones that haven't subscribed, do subscribe, and if you subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos, and y'all have a blessing day.